So this is the room of ex Rohit Prasad, who used to occupy here, whom we have made persona non grata.
Yes.
And we believe that in next few days he will leave the quarter as well. Otherwise, we have to also vacate that quarter.
Yes.
But for now, he has vacated this office. This is the key. We are going to lock it so that people like him who are illegitimately or illegally appointed don't occupy any official position in Nehu. Thank you, members. This is the key to the room of Rohit that we have locked. He doesn't exist in Nehu anymore. Thank you very much.
Ka Joint Action Committee kan thup ka Nehu ta ka Nehu su bat ka Nehu Non-Teaching Staff Association ila Kyndang ye Rohit Prasad na ka kamra jong u menta ka lai phoi tarik risau arja ar phaulai halor ka jing Kynnoh ba ula Shah Thung kam Beaiñ ha u Vice Chancellor u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ki dekhot ka JSC kila pha mi ru ye ki dekhot jong ka Academic Council ki bala thmu ban shong jingalang ban persha jore ka ni ka jingle u Vice Chancellor ha ka ni ka school ba na kalyang u Professor Lakhon Kama ula berthen balada ki we ki nong trei kim pendap ya ka kam kat kum ki kendon ka Nehu kam ban se ban Kyndang lang ya ki ru namar ba kam long ban shule ya ka kam kat ba ong uni u Vice Chancellor wat ya ka bom day ban le ru Henry nakalyang u Vice Chancellor u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ula kam ba ka jing thung kam ya Rohit Prasad ka dei kat kum ka rule bat ki dulir Rohit ula Shah thung kam kontrak kum u technical ka Nehu ha ka ba ka JSC kala Kynnoh bala shule Beaiñ da u VC Kelam yat kat kum ki kandon.
Well, the first issue, friends, if you look at the notification, is the immediate removal of Rohit Prasad. He has been appointed as technical officer / senior consultant on contract. Now, this is very, I won't say interesting, but I would say it's very murky. Now, we all know you can't just pick up anybody from the street and appoint him to be XYZ in the university. There are certain laid down procedures, and that is where I want to really emphasize today so that he's very clear. I know he has been telling all lies to students, he has been telling all lies everywhere, and I'll prove it. When I make a statement, I'm not going to make a vague statement. I'll prove it right here how big a liar he has been of late, and this is important. Now, this guy has been appointed, we don't know how. Here and then one RDI has been filed by an esteemed member, and he has received the reply. And the reply is, I will not go into the detail, other things are not required. When somebody asked him in the RDI, was there any selection, any advertisement floated? He said no. Was there any selection committee members constituted? No. However, interview was conducted online by the Vice Chancellor under blah 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 rule, and he has quoted, and he is trapped. I'll tell you why. He has quoted Clause 6B of UGC Model CRR, duly approved or adopted by 185th EC held on 11/10/22. Now, problem like all other problems that he have, he never reads the whole complete story. It's a 92-page document. He had only stopped at clause 6. Let me speak so that it's clear. If he has gone little further, beyond clause 6b, there is one clause which is actually called clause 11. And I will read it so that it's clear why we are so much hell-bent on his removal without any compromise. There will be no normalcy if he is not removed immediately. All other discussion can happen later. His removal later we want to see first. Then only there will be any discussion on any agenda. Well, let me read. After clause 6, if he goes to clause 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, the model UGC CRR rules, in the clause 11 it reads, and I will read it for you so that you know it's very clear. It says, procedure to be adopted for recruitment. Number 1, issue of advertisement. The vacant post of permanent nature, post approved under specific scheme of permanent nature, the post of temporary nature under which Rohit has been appointed, tenure / deputation post, etc., shall be advertised at an appropriate time, giving at least one insertion in any of the national dailies and one insertion in the university website. Further, the candidates may fill up the prescribed application forms along with the details of qualifications, experience and other requirements as per the procedure to be prescribed by the university and submit the application duly completed in all respect like everything else that we do here, along with the prescribed application fee, if any, within the stipulated time. Now, very interestingly, he thought, I don't know, sometimes I wonder, he is addressing whom? This university is not made up of junkies. Let it be very clear. People here are learned. All professors are not stupid. All our teaching staff are not stupid. Students are not stupid. And hence, when you make this kind of blatant lie, it only defeats the whole purpose. And that's where we have seen, and we have asked him, friendly speaking, Nehu, in the first EC that we met, we asked him point blank, how did you appointed this guy? He said, no, I can do it. I said, no, you can't do it. No, he said, I can do it. He said, no, I will do it. VC has the power. I said, under which rule? He could not say it. Which means, and we were very clear from day one, that this is the blatant misuse.
वेट करो या तो हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस सेपरेट करेंगे.
Sir, just one word, sir. Just one word.
No, I will call the separate conference, press conference, especially for this purpose.
When?
So yeah.
When?
Day after tomorrow.
Can you just at least say the demand on the removal of Mr. Rohit Prasad, sir?
No, I will discuss with the paper, with the documents. Without documents, there is no meaning. With the documents, rules and regulations. He are saying we are doing the wrong thing, no? So we will discuss with you with the document.
But how was he appointed, sir?
He is appointed as per rules. As per rules.
But they said that there was no rule. He was
No,
appointed.
they said no. That's what I'm going. I will discuss with you with the paper, with the rules, regulations, act and institute. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.